Hisense A6H 4K UHD Smart TV. Main features are image display resolution 3840 by 2160, display technology LCD LED LED. Backlight type direct LED, color depth 8-bit plus FRC. Maximum white brightness 200 CD per meter square. Viewing angles 178 degree, refresh rate is 60 Hz. Response time 8 meter per second. Connectivity radio frequency input 1, AV input 1, USB 2.0 to digital audio output 1, optical. Headphone jack 1, Smart TV Internet port 1, Wi-Fi protocols IEEE 8002.11a B, G and AC. Wi-Fi bands 2.45 GHz. Install apps Netflix, YouTube Kids, Prime Video, Play apps now in iSpeaks Media, Echo Weathers, TV browsers, Game Center, AnyView, Squash, iSpecs, Google's and Plex. HDMI type 4K 60 Hz with HDCP version 2.2, HDMI1 and HDMI2. HDMI type 1.4 with HDCP versions 1.4, HDMI3. Zoom functions 4:3, 16:9, auto, panoramic, movie and direct. HDR system, Dolby Vision's HDR 10. TV features Google TV OS, 2GB RAM, 16GB internet memory or Mali G52 graphics processor. Supported apps Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Hotstar, Sony Live, Hungama, Cinema, Z5, Eros Now, Oxygen Play. Audio 20 watts sound output speakers, typical com built-in, which allows them to produce stereo sound. Enjoy the music transmissions on two completely separately channel speakers. Dolby Atmos sound configuration, stereo sound.